Welcome to the preview video for my digital file management course. This course teaches tasks that make later tasks, especially duplicate removal, much more efficient. I think you'll be amazed to learn how much file management tasks can help you with your digital photo and video organizing projects. Imagine going from this, everything remaining after exact duplicate photos were removed, to this, in less time than you ever thought possible. Photos have been separated by file extension, and so have videos. The supplementary folder holds non-standard images, files your client may want to review, and very short videos. Scans have been sorted into folders, and all social media images are in either an undated or dated folder. When files were moved, all folder structure was preserved. How long do you think it took to do all that? It took me only 52 minutes to complete 14 tasks that transformed this collection of 81,000 files. Now I'll be able to do later tasks, especially duplicate removal, much more efficiently. I've had a lot of practice, but you'll get faster with every project. I'm Meg McIntyre of Photo Organizing Stuff, and I'm the creator of the Legacy Workflow Series courses for digital photo and video organizing. My courses are unlike any others. I'm an innovator. I test applications and tasks extensively. Everything I teach is based on the results, the data. Now stick around to learn about the benefits of file management tasks. The most important task is separating out undated photos. That's the term I use for photos with no EXIF DateTimeOriginal. It took me only 1 minute and 15 seconds to run the scan, select the undated photos, and move them to the JPEG undated folder while preserving the folder structure. And there were more than 8,000 before exact duplicates were removed. Every single one of these undated photos displays a false date in Lightroom Classic, Photo Mechanic, and Mylio, and about 10% display a false date taken in File Explorer. Because undated photos can be separated out so quickly and easily, it's a task every photo organizer should be doing. A key to preserving your client's story, their legacy, is to preserve folder structure until the organizing process is almost complete. That will preserve meaningful information and date information. It also increases duplicate removal efficiency dramatically. So many folder names include dates and meaningful information that can be converted to keywords. Only Legacy Workflow Series courses teach you to preserve folder structure and verify photo dates. But that can only be done accurately, efficiently, and profitably with applications for PC only. Enroll now if you want to do profitable, expert-level work. Another benefit of preserving folder structure is that it allows you to verify photo dates. The photos in the screenshot are dated. They do have an EXIF DateTimeOriginal, which is mirrored by the date taken, except that the camera date was set incorrectly and is off by 3 years. Even if a client does not want information in meaningful folder names preserved, expert-level work is only possible if folder structure is kept intact, and it will save you time. If you sort files into folders by year and month early in the organizing process, you're throwing away important information. So why are my courses the only ones that teach this? Beats me. My testing confirms that Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 removes duplicates more accurately and thoroughly than any other deduping application, if you know it well. The step-by-step duplicate removal workflows in my other courses take advantage of folder-related features in DCP-5 to make the process very efficient. Many file management tasks serve to group files with common properties and metadata into the same folder. And by using scan criteria to take advantage of the differences between files in the different folders, duplicates are easier to find. File management tasks benefit organizing videos in the same way. By preserving folder structure and grouping videos by extension, duplicates are easier to find because dates are saved in different metadata fields depending on the extension. In Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5, a date encoded is displayed for some extensions, date recorded for others, and neither for the rest. These essential file management tasks can be done very accurately and efficiently by taking advantage of Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 features, leveraging the power of metadata and file properties, and using regular expressions. The time you spend on file management tasks will save you much more time later. There are 3 optional tasks: flattening the folder structure, editing folder names, and undated photos cleanup. Some flattening of the folder structure is done with Windows File Explorer, and you'll learn to take advantage of Duplicate Cleaner Pro 5 features to flatten a Google Takeout folder structure quickly. When flattening the folder structure, only unneeded levels are removed and folder names with meaningful information or dates are preserved. What is considered unneeded may depend on the collection and the project scope. Editing all or part of meaningful folder names your client does not want preserved is another optional task. I do this task so I don't forget what I need to and do not need to preserve. The last task in the list is Undated Photos Cleanup. If and how much of this optional task you choose to do now, before more duplicates are removed, is up to you. So, if the essential tasks took me just over 52 minutes to complete, you may be wondering why there are 4 chapters and 53 pages before the task instructions begin. I believe that when people understand the purpose and benefits of a task, they can do a better job and will be able to adapt to different situations and unique client requirements. And that's what those first 4 chapters are for. Chapter 1 is the course overview and includes definitions, abbreviations, and a photo date metadata review. Chapter 2 covers the concepts and guidelines, and there's a section for each task. Chapter 3, preparing for file management tasks, will get you ready for what's to come. And Chapter 4 is a review of DCP-5 features that will be used frequently, and an introduction to a couple of DCP-5 features you may not have used before. Chapter 5 is where the instructions are. There are detailed step-by-step instructions with screenshots for each task, and each task is demonstrated in a video. One video would have been too long, so I divided it into 4. So many other courses claim to teach an expert-level workflow, but do they? I don't think so, but you need to decide for yourself. So I hope you'll visit my website and do some research. For only $3.29, you'll get 4 courses that will transform your digital photo and video organizing business. The courses are not sold separately because the tasks you do in one phase of a project affect all subsequent phases of a project. It's a workflow, but it's not yet complete. I've been working on the next 2 courses. These next 2 courses will help you thoroughly remove duplicates, even those that are very hard to identify. I hope you'll visit PhotoOrganizingStuff.com, where you'll find a courses page and my blog with lots of valuable information about digital photo and video organizing.